If your Kia Sportage won't start and the dash lights are flashing like a Christmas tree, don't panic. It's usually a simple power issue. 85% of the time, this specific symptom is caused by insufficient voltage reaching the starter motor or the main computer. Let's break down the diagnostic steps to find out exactly where your power is leaking. Start by checking your battery voltage and ensuring the terminals are clean and tight enough that they can't be moved by hand. Most Sportage owners find that a single dead cell in the battery provides enough power for lights, but not enough for the starter. If the battery tests fine, the flashing lights could indicate a security system lockout or a faulty brake pedal position switch. Try a jump start if you hear rapid clicking. However, if you smell smoke or see a key icon, you likely have an electrical short. Cleaning your terminals costs almost nothing, while a full alternator replacement can run you over $400. A common Kia issue is a poor ground connection to the chassis. Sanding this contact point often solves the flashing light mystery. You only need a few basic tools like a 10mm socket and a wire brush to handle most of these repairs yourself. Always remember that erratic electronics are usually a symptom of a power struggle, not a computer failure. Check those connections first and you'll likely be back on the road in no time. See you in the next one.